In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see your most played songs on Spotify. Let's get started. First, launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the search icon. Then search for Spotify 20. This is the Spotify wrap. Now click on the option Your Party Starts Now. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Click on Tap to begin. Click on Next Gift. Here you're going to find out the numbers of songs that you have played on your Spotify. Click on Next. Now a few quiz options will appear, such as which song was your first ever listen, likewise which was your most streamed artist, and many more. In this list, you will also find out the option of most played song on Spotify. Just go through this Spotify wrap and you're going to find out your most played songs on Spotify. So that's it. This way you can easily view your most played songs on Spotify. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.